Hey guys, General Mechanic right here. We're on the way home, coming back from home, from church. Beautiful sunset, and we wanted to share this quick video. My truck is turning 300,000 miles old, and we are about to see the shift from 999 miles to 300,000 miles. So it's just gonna be a few minutes, maybe a couple of minutes. As you can see right now, we are at 299,998. So excited to know that she has not let me down. In the past, I have done a couple upgrades to it. I did the engine rebuilt, fully rebuilt, like I don't know, maybe like a year ago, maybe a little over a year ago. The transmission is still the same as I got it, as when I got it, and it's shifting really good. It's pulling really good. I don't have no complaints with that. And I guess, you know, I've done a lot of work with it. I have been everywhere with it. And just past week, I had to go to North Carolina and pick up an engine for a job we're doing, a 2003 F-150. It has the Windsor engine, 8 bolts on the flywheel, and so she's done me really good. So we're gonna get her a little closer, and we're gonna just check the moment where she's gonna become a 300,000 mile truck. Hopefully it moves kind of crazy, but it's coming. You can see all nines right now, all nines. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer, getting closer, and boom, there she goes. 300,000 miles, guys. She is an old lady. 300,000 miles. We are only a few miles before we get home. We drive 2 hours to go to church every weekend, and she's the one who takes us. So I'm happy that she has not let me down. So hey, if you got anything nice to say, please leave it in the comments below. Any questions about the upgrades I had done on her, let me know in the questions below. But leave thumbs up if you like the video, okay? I know it's kind of dark, but this was the time where she became 300,000. So you know, please subscribe as I got more videos coming. Have a blessed day.